Hello everybody out there in the land of make-believe. Wolf Wizard here at the bench. Here I am down on the floor. This is I want to do these what do you call them? Show and tell Tuesday videos. And it's Tuesday and you know, I've been busy doing stuff, but I'm just going to show you what's going on the bench here. You never know. Sometimes it's jewelry. Sometimes I'm painting something. Sometimes it's just a mess of stuff. But right now I am sculpting. So I've got my crock pot full of castelline clay in there, ready to melt up. And I've got just some figures that I've been working on now. This one, hey, where are you? This one was... it was an evil bunny I was working on. He had a little fang. It was it's a character that I've just kind of had in my repertoire since high school. I thought I'd do that, but in the end, I was like, nobody's gonna get it. Nobody's gonna get why he's got a little fang. I was having trouble getting the claws on, so I took the fang off. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the bunny now, but do something with it. Do something with it. Its foot keeps coming off, for crying out loud. So I gotta fix that. Anyway, so still some work needs to be done on the bunny. Bigfoot here is a little Bigfoot. I'm calling this critter a little Bigfoot. Yeah, there's some. I just gotta repair some dinks. There's some dinks and doinks, and do some stuff. I think that I've seen people take alcohol and brush it with alcohol to smooth it out. I think I'm going to try that method. So, but this is just about ready to go. The little Bigfoot here. There's that. And then I've been putting this little critter on blast. This is a little bugger, and it is here. It's a space cootie. It's a space cootie. This one is weasel. So I was just screwing around with a little piece of clay and ended up making this I wasn't thinking about it, and like it so much, I'm gonna make a whole line of space cooties. Little buggers. They're space cooties. What else I got? This was an experiment. I was just experimenting with details and goopy look. So I think I got the goopy look down, but the piece didn't turn out. But I learned a method. So there's that. And that's about it. Now I'm going to make more of these little buggers. I got a little starting out with that shape. I don't know. You know, sometimes I have kind of an idea of what I'm making. And sometimes I just mush clay until it looks like something. I go, oh, look at that. That looks like something. I don't know. I think these things look like something. But yeah, tell me what you think of this Bigfoot, because I am really happy with it. I haven't been able to concentrate on doing a full sculpt from beginning to end. Most of the stuff I do is, you know, just what you call research, I guess. You know, just practicing skills. Like this was just a practice. I was like, oh, I wonder if I can make this look goopy. But I didn't have there was no intention behind it. But this one, I wanted to make a Bigfoot. I drew a Bigfoot. I kind of made it like I drew it, and I finished it. It's just about finished. So pretty happy with this. Tell me what you think. A little Bigfoot here, and yeah, chime in on these. Should I keep making more of these little buggers, these little space cooties? Oh, I gotta fix his legs. His legs are wrong and asymmetrical and stuff. I gotta fix his feet, but other than that, stop falling over. Other than that, I'm really happy with Weasel there. And if you have any suggestions about what I should do with the bunny, I'm trying to. I think I want to learn how to make fur. But since this one's turned out so well, I'm not going to practice on this. I'm going to get another piece out and protect. I guess I could do it with this. This is Fimo. Not Fimo. This was Sculpey. Hey, dear broke there. So I guess I could probably practice on. That's what I'll do. That's what I'll do is I'll practice fur on this, and if I come up with something good, I'll put it over there on my castelline clay for molding. So I want to get a few things made before I get out all my molding supplies, which are up there. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna make I want to make like maybe 5 of these. I make 5 of these little buggers, and then get everything all smoothed out, and then get out the molding materials and start making molds for these little little folk. I think I want to get I'm trying to get my hands on a pressure pot before I make the mold. So we'll like to not have to deal with bubbles. I know pressure pots are great for that. I've got like a 20-gallon air compressor, so that should work fine. I just need a pressure pot is the deal there. Okay, so that's it for Show and Tell Tuesday. Stay tuned. I'll get one out next Tuesday. I'm going to try to, if I can't get out any other videos, I will get out some Show and Tell Tuesday videos every Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, always remember, never forget your vision. Godspeed, Earthlings.